Hi guys. Uh, Actually, I'm a Uber driver. I'm working as a full-time driver. Okay. Few days back, I got an incident in Uber rideshare. The guy I picked, and the Uber, everybody knows who's driving Uber. That the Uber will automatically add. They will add one like the other riders in Uber sharing ride, right? So, and they can see also, rider can see that somebody added or no. So, what happened actually, the reason I'm making this video, actually, I'm not into YouTube a lot, but this is, I feel that I have to make this video and put in YouTube. So, the Uber who's driving Uber full time, they will be aware and very, like, they have to be very careful because some of the riders, you can also someday might be, I hope it will not be, but it can be, like how the bad time, it will not ask you to come, it will come. So better to be careful what's going on. Like, so what happened, like the rider I have picked, and after a few seconds, like when I drive my car, after a few seconds, they Uber added one more ride. So I took the right turn where I was, and I have to pick the other riders. So the guy said to me that why you took the right turn. I said, bro, they added one more ride. Yeah, you can see in your app also it shows. So that's why I have to drop that. I have to pick that rider. So he said to me like, you cannot do that. You have to drop me first. So I said, no, I cannot do that. It's a Uber sharing ride, so I have to pick other rider as well because you are paying ride sharing money, right? So I want to make money also, so I have to pick that ride, right? He said, no, you cannot do that, and he started yelling on me and too much, f words kind of thing. So I stopped my car and I said, bro, get down from my car and call other driver. So he said, no, you cannot do that. It's your job to drop me. I said, I know what's my job, but you are keep yelling. It's a Uber ride share. I have to pick other rider because of you. I'm getting late. So he said, no, yeah, I will not get down. Whatever you want to do it. So I call Uber, driver support team, uh, and I spoke with them in front of him, and he was keep yelling on me on that time. Also, the lady who was in Uber driver support, he was listening everything. I mentioned everything what happened. He, order like he requested Uber ride share. Now he's not listening to me. He's telling me to drop him first because he's the one who stayed in my car first. So the lady already said to this guy that no, this is a Uber ride share. You have to understand that he has to pick some other rider and as well. So he put on me everything. Uh, he's misbehaving with me. He used bad word and like that kind of thing. So okay. So far, the lady said to me, man, you have to handle by yourself because I can understand like how frustrated is it, but unfortunately we cannot do anything. You have to handle by yourself because you know that everybody knows that Uber will not, they will, just up their hands that they cannot do anything. So this all bullshit happened with me, and then after finally like I called police, and the police also didn't came on that time. He called his brother. His brother came, give me a look on that time, and I also said, yeah, what happened? So he said, what happened? So I mentioned everything. Your brother is doing this kind of thing. Please get him out, and I want to go. So he said, no, you have to. Your police should come here, and then I will go. So his brother talked with him, and they get down. So far, what happened? After 3 days, Uber blocked my account. Okay, now I'm working as a full-time driver, as I mentioned you guys before. So I am all dependent on Uber. Okay, like I'm all dependent on Uber money because I have a family, right? So what happened? Okay, I call Uber. I said, what happened? Like you guys blocked me. After 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning, they blocked me. Okay, so they said the rider has mentioned us as a like for like you did some sexual assault with him, with the rider. I mean, I said, what? Sexual assault? How come it's possible? Like, man, I'm a married man. I have family. Mashallah, beautiful family. So how can I do that? So the Uber safety support team, they were telling me, but the rider has put the blame on you like this. So we have to investigate everything. So you have to wait now. So I didn't do anything, that thing, God knows, and I have a proof. I'm making this video because I have to mention everything to you guys, that this thing can be happen with you, and it will be a big problem because some drivers, they all depend on Uber money, right, as a full-time driver. So I want to make this video because of this reason. Now what happened, by the grace of God, what I did when he was yelling on me, I opened the dash cam, okay, and it's all recorded, that what happened actual. So I mentioned that I didn't do anything. So the Uber support safety and support team asked me that, do you have any proof that you didn't do anything? Because if you don't have proof, we cannot do anything. See, this is Uber, okay? So I said, I have everything, I have all the proof. So they said, send it to us in 1 hour. I said, man, from 3 days I'm not earning because Uber, I'm all depend on Uber. Now how can I feed my kids? Like, I needed money and everything, and finance, we have to pay everything, right? So everybody is not rich, right? So anyway, so in the end, I sent to the Uber my video, and the guy was nice that he said to me, send it to me in 1 hour, so I will open your account until evening time. And by the grace of Allah, I send it to them, and within few hours my account open again. So far the video I'm making, because please put dash cam or put some hide camera in your cell phone if you cannot afford the dash cam, because this is really very necessary. Today the guy said, guy did like this to me, put blame on me. So tomorrow might be it gonna be happen with you, might be some girl, and in Canada or in US, wherever you guys are, if the girl will put blame, it will be a big issue. So for that reason, I'm making this video, and please share this video. And so the Uber drivers who is driving Uber, they will be careful that they have to put dash cam, and it's necessary. Okay, thank you, God bless you all, take care, bye bye.